Welcome to Cluster Repairs UK. Today we'll be showcasing a repair service for a BMW F40 instrument cluster. These instrument clusters tend to have a few common faults, such as central display flickers on and off, speedometer and rev counter illumination has failed, all background illumination has failed, or complete power failure to the entire instrument cluster. Here is an instrument cluster where the needles do not illuminate anymore. Here on test we have an instrument cluster with a central display that has failed altogether or is faded. Another common fault we see with this instrument cluster is where the unit powers on and off or completely fails. Cluster Repairs UK has been repairing instrument clusters since 1986. We repair all instrument clusters from the 1960s to present day. Now, here, after repair, the instrument cluster is fully working perfectly. Illumination of needles is back, power is stable, and the central display looks like new. If your instrument cluster is faulty and you would like it booked in for repair, you can have this done via mail order or visit one of our sites. For more information, please read the detailed description below in the video description. We pride ourselves with award-winning customer service, so please feel free to give us a call or drop us an email. Thanks again for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.